YouTube was good. It's your boy Alex the Barber, and I'm back with another video. And before I start the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also turn on the post notifications to never miss a new video. Let's get right into it. Alright guys, to begin this haircut, I'm gonna make sure I section off all the top hair that I won't be cutting with the clipper. Now with the foreguard closed, I'm gonna begin to debulk everything on the sides, making sure I get a nice and clean area to begin my fade. Alright, so right now I'm gonna begin my clipper over comb. The reason why I didn't go all the way up with the 4-guard or put on the 3-guard is because if I were to go all the way up, I would remove all that hair and the side of his head would look super flat. Now with my trimmers, I'm gonna begin to set in the first guideline. I'm gonna start it right at the temple because we'll be doing a mid fade, and we're just gonna work it all the way through the back, making sure we make it nice and even. As you can see, I'm kind of dropping it, but not too much on the back of the head, and that's just to give myself space to fade out the back. And right here you see me, I always stop at the back of the head, work my way through the other side, and always connect it towards the middle, just so I know I have a nice even line all the way across. Now with my 1-guard open on my Oster Fast Feeds, which would be the 1.5 on any wall clipper, I'm going up just to clean off the bottom of the hair, just so I can have a nice and cleaner foundation to begin the fade. Now with my 2-guard, I'm just gonna go right above that 1.5 just to make it nice and even on top. Just so that when I'm doing my fade, all I have to go up to is like the 1 open, since I already did the 1.5 and the 2. Now with no guard with the lever all the way open, I'm gonna go up about 1/2 inch at the very bottom, following the first bald guideline that I created. Now with the lever closed, we're gonna remove that bottom line that it created with a flick out motion. And remember, the higher you go up on that spot, you gotta open up the lever slowly. As you can see right there, I just did that because I was going higher. But now that I'm working on the bottom, or actually I just opened it all the way, but now you can see right here I'm at the very bottom and it's fully closed. Now that I'm going a little higher, I put it halfway. And that's just the way you work out that bottom line. Now I'm gonna put on that one guard with the lever closed. I'm gonna go up about another 1/2 inch. Now to remove that bottom line that I just created, I'm gonna put on the 1/2 guard with the lever closed with a flick out motion. Now that we got rid of that bottom line, I'm gonna put the one guard back on, now this time with the lever open, and we're just gonna flick out that top line. We're gonna go up about 1/2 inch. Alright, now I'm gonna just do some detail work with the 1.5 guard again, just to remove any dark spots that I see on the top of the fade. Now right here, I'm just gonna be connecting the top to the side, making sure nothing's hanging over. So for this client, all I do is just line up the side of the haircut just to make it nice and crispy. Now for the product that I use is the Johnny B gel. And I'm just gonna rub it all in my hands, put it all over the hair, make it as messy as you can. It doesn't really matter because you'll come back with the comb and style it. As you can see right here, I'm just doing the hairstyle, then I'll blow dry it. So this is how my boy came into the shop. And this is how my boy ends up leaving. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to leave a like, comment down below how I did. Also, let me know what you guys want to see more in the future. Thanks for watching. Peace.